Well, we want to talk about another case that had violent video as well. This was just released by Scottsdale PD. Surveillance footage here shows former Coyotes hockey player Paul Bissonnette attacked both inside and outside of a Houston's restaurant back on November 24th. Now, he's the one, it's hard to tell here, but you can see him being on the ground, being punched, being kicked. He was shirtless. He says that he was just trying to defend some employees from a group of men who turned aggressive. He manages to escape as police are called. The suspects were tracked down and arrested. The video right here, Hector, it says it all. Isn't this just a slam dunk for prosecutors?
You know, it does look like that, right? It looks like what you have here is a group of men, violently assaulting Mr. Bissonnette here, and he was defenseless, and that's really where the charges arise from here. The aggravated assault is attacking somebody who can't really resist against the assault. It is going to be difficult. The video often as criminal defense lawyers, we look at video, we look at these kinds of things in terms of whether they exonerate or incriminate our client. And this is a kind of situation where, there are going to be a lot of answers. I think you want to look at witnesses there in the restaurant. What happened? Did Mr. Bissonnette say anything threatening? Did he threaten to assault these individuals? But man, six, I'm counting here, 6 against 1 doesn't seem at all like a fair fight.
I mean, he said that, he went up to this group, but he didn't throw the first punch.
Right.
The other guys, allegedly, they did. So, I mean, wouldn't they, since they threw the first punch, allegedly? I mean...
And also, in addition, yes, I agree. In addition, there's also the problem about statements that they purportedly made after contact with police in terms of some, denying that they had any involvement. You can see on the video that, the people they spoke to actually had involvement, that they were there kicking, throwing punches. And so those kind of negate the idea that, maybe this was a self-defense issue. But yeah, the defense attorney is going to have a tall order here in terms of the video, but we'll have to see as this thing progresses.
All right, will do. All right, Hector, thank you. I know you're going to stick around for some national cases as well. Troy?